Matt, first off, I want to thank you for being here today. I know it was a lot to ask, but you put the effort in and it turned out great. You got the girl. In all seriousness, let's always keep each other laughing and showing until we are old. Wouldn't want it any other way. We go together like lamb and tuna fish. Love your best friend, your soon-to-be wife. You owe me a sausage muffin.
To be my loving wedded wife.
To be my loving wedded wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
And to love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
I accept you for better or for worse.
I accept you for better or for worse.
For richer or for poor.
For richer or for poor.
And in sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
Until death do us part.
Until death do us part.
Mackenzie, if you repeat after me. I, Mackenzie, take you, Matt.
I, Mackenzie, take you, Matt.
To be my loving wedded husband.
To be my loving wedded husband.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
I accept you for better or for worse.
I accept you for better or for worse.
For richer or for poor.
For richer or for poor.
And in sickness and in health.
And in sickness and in health.
Until death do us part.
Until death do us part.
It is my privilege to be the first to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Matthew Thomas Rose.
Hey, all right!
Each and every one of you for coming tonight. Each and every one of you are our family and our friends, and we love you all. And I just want to welcome Matt to the Waters family, and I guess Mackenzie to the Lowe family. And he's going to get what he gets, and I'm sorry for it. We love him so dearly. Mackenzie has searched high and low for a guy that will love her for who she is, and that is Matt. Matt, and we love him dearly, and we love them both. Thank y'all so much for coming. We want you to enjoy your food, and we're going to party in a minute with some dancing.